If you are also interested in creating images as shown in the screen, then this video is for you. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can create trendy wing name images using Bing AI for free. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your browser and type in bing.com. So you'll be taken to this page and click on images. Click on create to get into the interface of Bing AI. Here on the top, you can see the prompt box where you need to provide the description in order to generate the images. You can use the prompt link in the description box by making some certain changes to it, or you can also create your own prompt. For now, I have already copied the prompt, so I am simply going to paste it and click on create to generate the image. Generating image may take some time, so stay tuned until AI generates the image for you. And as you can see, in first trial it generates 4 images for you. Click on the image to view it in larger size. Well, the image looks quite precise with the prompt, and I think it's pretty good. Now let us try another one by making some certain changes to the prompt, such as name, gender and lighting. So let's go back to the prompt box and paste a new prompt. Click on create to generate new images. And here you can see in each trial it generates 4 images. Click on image to view it in larger size. Here you can see the results are even better. You can also share the image using the share button. You can save the image. You can also download the image using the download button. And you can customize your image as you want. And that is how you can easily create trendy wing name images using Bing AI for free. If you are interested in this sort of video, then make sure to subscribe to Online Help Guide. And let me know in the comment box what you think about Bing AI. Thank you for watching.